Welcome back, guys, to another interesting, as well as you can say that funny project. We have built a pet feeder using the MakerBuddy IoT kit, and in this project I have used the HC-SR501 motion sensor and the SG90 servo motor. So what we are doing is that actually, motion sensor is, you can say that a binary sensor. Either it's a 1 if it detects the motion, and otherwise it's a 0. So we have built the condition-based rule that if the HC-SR501 equal to 1, then you need to set the servo angle to the 15 to open up the door, and then immediately close back to the 0 angle, so we can control the supply of the pet feed. So this is amazing project that we have built very easily without the complexity of wiring, as well as we didn't write it any code, because we are using the MakerBuddy web app to set the rule engine. And in the next part you guys will see that how I am setting the rules for this automation. So guys, see you in the next part. Welcome back, guys, to the pet feeder tutorial, and in this part we're going to build the rules for our MakerBuddy pet feeder. So guys, let's get started with that. Okay, before creating the rule, firstly we need to understand the flow, how the things are working. So as you already know that we are using the HC-SR501 motion sensor, and it have two values, either it's a true or false. Mean if it detects the motion, then it give us the 1 value, or you can say that true, and if there is a no motion, then there is a 0. So when any pet like cat, dog comes near to our pet feeder, then motion sensor will detect the motion, and we need to open up the box mouth for, you can say that, at the degree of 15 angle for the 300 millisecond, because we cannot open up it for the 1 second, because due to the flow of grains, it will take out all the grains instead of a short chunk. So we have adjusted that to the 15 angle for the 300 millisecond, and then we have closed it to the 0 for the 1500 millisecond, which means 1.5 seconds. So this is the proper, you can say that, flow, that how we are opening and closing the mouth of the pet feeder to send the feed according, you can say that, according to our thresholds. So here I will visit the rule engine, and by the way, we have updated now. You will see the rule engines at the top in the table format, and pet feeder, and click on the conditions. Next, from here we need to select the motion sensor. Okay, perfect. And we need to set equal to 1, because either it's a true or false. And next we need to add 2 steps. Both are servo moves. So firstly I'm going to select the servo moves, and here I will set the 15 angle, and I will reduce the duration to the 300 millisecond, but you can change it according to your design, and either you can set it to the 0 or 1, and for 1500 millisecond. And now this rule has been created successfully, and now we are done with that one. So guys, see you in another tutorial. Have a good day. Bye bye.